Hi and welcome to this edition of Join with Jen. So today I wanted to talk to you about the Bank of Mum and Dad. So what is the Bank of Mum and Dad? The Bank of Mum and Dad is the 5th largest lender of all loans in Australia today. It's a really scary thought because what that means is that, outside the big 4 banks, parents are lending their kids money to get into their first homes or get into their second homes or to help pay down loans that have got out of control. So whilst that might sound like a fantastic opportunity for the next generation, it does come with some pitfalls. So things like, what if there's a marriage breakdown or a relationship breakdown? What if there's a business issue? What if there are large debts or the kids can't balance their budgets? What if they haven't ever done a spending plan or a budget? Do you actually know what is going on with your kids? So whilst, we do encourage clients that have surplus assets to help their kids out whilst, they can, whilst they can see their kids enjoying, life and getting into their first or second houses, whilst they're helping their grandkids, we do highly recommend that you do take some steps to protect yourself and your kids from these sort of things. So things like loan agreements or agreements where, if there's a relationship split, that the ex-spouse doesn't receive part of your hard-earned money, to make sure that, you can call it back. What if you need to go into aged care or what if you run out of money? How are you going to, afford to keep living? So these are the sort of things that we do discuss with clients. We highly recommend, if you're going to do this, that you sit down with your children and make sure that they understand that they need to put in place a spending plan. They need to make sure that they have adequate insurance if they're taking out loans. We're always happy to talk to our clients' kids, in terms of no obligation, and it's a no cost initially to do that. If they engage us, then that's a different matter. But we're happy to spend that time to make sure that your assets are protected, your kids are protected, and it all goes according to plan and how you want. So if you want some more information or if you'd like to reach out to one of the team, please give us a shout out. We've dealt with many clients over the years who have lent or gifted their kids money very successfully. But you need to understand the pros and cons of doing that. So until next time, look after yourself and we'll look forward to chatting with you soon. Thanks.